Slatty, West, going. Hey man, we got that boy Key Glock 3 a.m. in ToKEYo. Before we get in there, bit, make sure you subscribe right now. I ain't gonna do too much talking, let you get in to it. In my boy ToKEYo.
I came in this world by myself. Self-made, never asked no one for help. My little bro tryna cook, I think he should be a chef. The day a nigga play with Glock, he get put on the shelf. Yeah, he get put in a pot, wrap him like a Christmas present. Franklin Grayson Jackson's, I'm forever gonna get it. I just did this show, had bitches showing me they belly. Pissy yellow diamonds on my wrist, no R. Kelly. My ex is still jealous, cause they cannot be.
This nigga said pissy diamonds, no R. Kelly, boy. Oh shit, boy, this motherfucker 2 hard, this motherfucker 3 hard, this motherfucker 5 hard, this bitch 10 hard, boy, this motherfucker hard as hell, y'all. That boy ToKEYo with it, but I ain't gonna lie, I wanna go ToKEYo like a motherfucker, I ain't gonna lie. I really wanna go ToKEYo in China. It look like they're ahead of us in technology for real though.
With me, you see what happened to dude, don't think you should play with me. Diamonds dance like Terry Crews, yeah, these bitches something to see. Put a pocket full of blues and a 30 blood deep. Young rich nigga, I'll fuck your auntie. Dog ass nigga who let this nigga off the leash. Capping ass nigga, all that lying on them beats. Escalade beat, you can hear me coming up the street. How about smelling like a pea, you know that motherfucker reek. I'm a Kansas City fan, yeah, you know who I be cheap. My diamonds got her in a trance. Next thing I know, she tryna take it out my pants. Then she suck it like she tea. You know I keep one in her head. Ain't me that your beam. Her daddy is a preacher, just don't know his daughter Dean. All this money in my pockets got me walking like a peen. She wanna fuck my partner, me and Glitz like double team. Gave lil' mama dope dick once, now she fiends. I'm so up, get bored and buy a watch for no reason. Cut the motherfucking fame plotting, then I'm scheming. Get money, motherfucker. Yup, my closet look like Neiman. I came in this world by myself. Self-made, never asked no one for help. My little bro tryna cook, I think he should be a chef. The day a nigga play with Glock, he get put on the shelf. Yeah, he get put in a pot.
This be hard, boy.
I'm sure, but you really want to start just about to be any day. I'll wait for it. Any day now. Any day now, bro. What do you think?
I ain't gonna lie, they bit hard, they bit 2 hard, they bit 3 hard. I ain't gonna lie, I'm craving some Chinese food now. I know this in ToKEYo and shit like that, Japan, Japanese food, but I just started thinking about some chicken wings. Like, what the hell? It's 4 a.m. in the morning right now. It's 4 a.m. I'm thinking about chicken wings, but I want some chicken wings. I'm gonna get some chicken wings tomorrow for shit show. I'm gonna give me some chicken wings tomorrow for sure. But I'm hungry as hell right now. Like, it's 4 a.m. Like, damn, I can't eat no food right now. Like, some food at the crib and shit like that. But, damn, I want some chicken wings bad.
I'm glad that I stopped to wait for the thing. It's gonna be eventually.
Today is a victory over yourself of yesterday. I do want some Chinese food, but I'm hungry as hell, boy. Like, I'm hungry as shit, boy. I'm glad. That be a 2 hard, that be a 3 hard, that be a 5 hard, that be a 10 hard. I fuck with that. Anyway, y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah.